Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Enphase EV charger integration, full guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling your Enphase EV charger integration, ensure your EV charger is completely powered off. Locate the circuit breaker that supplies power to your Enphase EV charger. Switch off the circuit breaker to ensure there's no electricity flowing to the unit. Next, disconnect the EV charger cable from the electric vehicle. Once the cable is disconnected, take note of the mounting location of the charger on the wall. Using a screwdriver, carefully remove the screws holding the charger to the wall. Gently pull the charger away from the wall to expose the electrical wiring connections. Before proceeding, double-check that the power is still off to prevent any accidents. Identify the wiring connections on the back of the charger. Using a screwdriver, carefully disconnect the wires, noting their positions for reinstallation if needed. If your charger is connected to a network or smart system, access the associated app or interface. Follow the prompts to deactivate or remove the integration from your smart home network. Once deactivated, proceed to remove any mounting brackets or plates still attached to the wall. Carefully store any components or tools used during the uninstall process for future reference. Inspect the installation site to ensure it's safe and clear of debris. Now you have successfully uninstalled your Enphase EV charger integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.